If you are not walking with God, make no mistake. You are walking with the devil. The Bible is clear in Matthew 12:30. Whoever is not with me is against me, and whoever does not gather with me scatters. There is no neutral ground in the spirit. Every step you take apart from God is a step into darkness. But here is the good news: you don't have to stay there. If the God you serve is silent, powerless, or dead, come and meet the living God. The God I serve is alive. He is powerful and he answers by fire. He is the same God who said in John 11:25, "If I am the resurrection and the life, the one who believes in me will live, even though they die." He gives life to the dry bones. He restores broken hearts. He breaks every chain. Don't waste your worship on what could not save you. Come and serve the true and living God, the one who formed you, who loves you, and who's waiting for you with open arms. As Joshua 24:15 says, choose this day whom you will serve. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Judith, an interior designer who's totally into all things design, DIYs, fragrances, and a bit of lifestyle stuff too. So, if you're into that kind of mix, you're definitely in the right spot. Guys, let's get into today's video. Will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh yeah, all to Thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. Oh yeah, I surrender all. Yeah. Fill our praise in this place. Have your way. It's your way. Fill our praise in this place. Have your way. It's your way. Great is the Lord our God. All in all you reign. Be exalted. The King is exalted. Great is the Lord our God. All in all you reign. Be exalted. The King is exalted. Lord, you surround me. Rivers of fire from your throne. Flashes of lightning. Yes, you are here. Lord, you surround me. Rivers of fire from your throne. Flashes of lightning. Yes, you are here. So
starts creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close side, wanna be by your side. Close, just for a while, stay by my side.
Thought this was what it meant to be love. Falling so hard, 'cause you said you'd be there to pick me up. But you never felt near, so these thoughts would appear like, am I enough? Said you weren't, felt like you were out. Did anything just to keep you around. Clung to your words, gave love on your terms. But what goes around somehow always returns. 'Cause the moment that I walked away, everything changed. Now you're saying that you want me, doing everything I wanted before. Once upon a time would've got me, but I'm not so sure anymore. No, I'm not so sure anymore. No, I'm not so sure
I trust him, but I'm not perfect, and I don't wanna feel what I feel. 'Cause to him, it's not real. But do I trust him? He's imperfect, and I wonder if I'm on his mind. complicated, everything in between. I rely on you completely and make me believe that I don't know me, that I don't know me.
It's not easy.
Okay, family, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching me decorate my space. Now I can sit back, I can relax, I can sip on some wine and just watch the creation that I just created on a budget. I will be making a video going over each item, where I got them from, how long I've had them, and why I chose the pieces that I chose. On that note, guys, don't forget, if you are not walking with God, you are walking with the devil. And if your God is dead, come and try the God that I serve. I will see you guys on my next one. Always remember, never let your budget dictate your style, but create a space that you love. Design for life.